When it is dark enough, you can see the stars. Every sunset brings the promise of a new dawn. It is one of the blessings of old friends that you can afford to be stupid with them. To be yourself, in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else, is the greatest accomplishment. Nothing great was ever achieved without enthusiasm. Without ambition, one starts nothing. Without work, one finishes nothing. Don't be pushed by your problems. Be led by your dreams. A great man is always willing to be little. Sorrow looks back. Worry looks around. Faith looks up. I cannot remember the books I've read, any more than the meals I have eaten. Even so, they have made me. Successful is the person who has lived well, laughed often, and loved much. What lies behind you, and what lies in front of you, pales in comparison to what lies inside of you. Every artist was first an amateur. You become what you think about all day long. Unless you try to do something beyond what you have already mastered, you will never grow. People do not seem to realize that their opinion of the world is also a confession of character. Peace cannot be achieved through violence. It can only be attained through understanding. The mind, once stretched by a new idea, never returns to its original dimensions. The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. The love that you withhold is the pain that you carry. For every minute you remain angry, you give up 60 seconds of peace of mind. The only way to have a friend is to be one. The earth laughs in flowers. Let me never fall into the vulgar mistake of dreaming that I am persecuted whenever I am contradicted. What you do speaks so loud that I cannot hear what you say. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. Every day is the best day in the year. Self-trust is the first secret of success. Always do what you are afraid to do. Win as if you were used to it. Lose as if you enjoyed it for a change. Men succeed when they realize that their failures are the preparation for their victories. You cannot do a kindness too soon, for you never know how soon it will be too late. Nobody can bring you peace but yourself. Most of the shadows of this life are caused by standing in one's own sunshine. People only see what they are prepared to see. Cultivate the habit of being grateful for every good thing that comes to you. Is it so bad, then, to be misunderstood? Pythagoras was misunderstood, and Socrates, and Jesus, and Luther, and Copernicus, and Galileo, and Newton, and every pure and wise spirit that ever took flesh. Thank you for watching, and for supporting us.